Hello everyone, it's Adam here. I had the heel guards off. Let me show you what those look like. These are the OEM heel guards, obviously. Where are they? They're over here. There's some T30s. They're plastic. They're not too heavy. They just keep you from rubbing your boot heel into the bike. I like these from Altrider a lot more, so I'm going to install those on the bike. I've had them on for a few years now. They are aluminum. I had them powder coated red. Not that expensive, but I like how these look on the bike versus the OEM ones. You can see it's a two-handed. Let's go see this thing's installed. So they're not installed yet, but as you can see, they're red, which I like. You can get them in black and silver or powder coat them. They're aluminum, 3mm hex to install these. They might be too much red for this bike, but I like these a lot because they're thinner than the OEMs and they're smooth. And so when your foot is on the pegs and you're moving your heel up and down, you can kind of see the wear marks there as I've rubbed this down with my heel over the years. With these, I would put these on every future GS. The OEM heel ones are a little thick, and they serve a purpose. But I really like how these feel. They're super smooth, and they feel good, and they're solid. So very easy to do. You remove the other ones, which is a Torx 30-bit, and then you grab your 4mm hex. Altrider includes these spacers behind there. You see the spacers right there. The spacers there, and just torque it down. You know, to do it to tight, and then turn a quarter turn, and you're done. Thread locker, of course. They've never backed out on me, and that's it. Altrider didn't send me these. I bought them a few years ago, but they're so easy to install that I might, as far as this bike build goes, I might end up doing some stuff like different colors, but for now I'm just going for cheap. So Altrider heel guards for R1250GS Adventure. And just for posterity, here's how they look on the other side. You can see here, very solid, and of course guards that rear brake pump there. We're also now going to do the brake guard, the brake reservoir, rear brake reservoir guard. This is a T30 as well. Back that out, put the red bits on, and you're done. And that's it. Just tighten that down. You are screwing into plastic, so you don't need thread locker on this one. But now we have our brake reservoir guard and our heel guard side by side there. This doesn't really need to be there. I mean, it's not doing much. You're not gonna. It's fine. If you bought one of these off eBay for not Altrider, congratulations. It's cool to put on, get it in a fancy yellow color. But these two together, they're cool. They look nice. Sparkles.